What's up, y'all? It's your girl Give You Face, and I am back with another slay, okay? So today we're gonna be doing this look. I've been on a roll with the crayon case. I don't know why, but like, sis, this palette. So I was on the net and I saw these girls like, I don't like the crayon case, the matte book. I can't use the matte book or what's the other one? I don't have the other one. It's the box of crayons. I can't use it. I don't know. And I'm like, girl, are you using the right primer? You have to use a bright primer. You have to use like a white primer or the colors ain't gonna be popping, okay? So I use the P. Louise base, just to let y'all know. It's the white one, number 0, and it gets me where I need to be, sis, okay? So I suggest that if you use this palette, you gotta use to bring out the pigment. Boom, that's what you gotta do. Anyway, today we're doing this look, and I found this artist, and I don't think she got enough credit. She did so good. Let me pull up the picture, and I just had to challenge myself. And here is homegirl right here. Y'all see that? Oh, hold up, my screen's dirty. Okay, I'll see homegirl right there. Yes, we are going to be doing this look here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it took me a good minute, just to let y'all know, but I had to go all out again. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look today, then just continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you know the next time I drop a video, because you don't want to miss it, sis. You don't, okay? Also, I'm trying to get to 2K, so once we get to 2K subscribers, we will do a giveaway, and it'll be a good giveaway. So keep subscribing. Tell your friends, tell your mom, your aunt, your uncle, your sister, your brother, whoever, your cousin's friend, I don't know, tell whoever. And yes, like I said, I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much again for watching, and yeah. Alright, sis, this one is gonna have to be a voiceover because I just had to take my time, and I decided to do just one eye on camera because y'all are gonna see how long this is gonna take me. So I'm just starting by placing this e.l.f. eye tape on to the middle of my eye, and I do it kind of diagonal. You can place it however you'd like to place it, but this is how I place it. I'm just making sure it's in the middle. Next, I'm just going to go in with my matte book, and we are going to start off with this pretty pink color, and then after that we're just going to start stacking. You'll see me stacking I believe it's an orange and then a yellow right on top, and I'm using my Morphe M562, and we're just going to pack that color on. And the purpose of the eyeshadow tape is to help you have that sharp line in between. Okay, so we just finished stacking the orange and the yellow. Now I took that tape off, as you can see, and I lost a little bit of the pigment in the eyeshadow base. I used my white P. Louise base, and I just refreshened that up. with a small brush. Now you're going to see me doing the same thing on the other side, but with a blue, a green, and then I'm going to add that same yellow. So we're just going to be connecting. You'll also see me using a flat brush to get flush up against that line with each color. That way it looks like it's just seamless flowing into each other. So since it takes so much time to cut your crease, I did half of that off camera. So I cut my crease with my makeup wipe like you guys seen me do in previous videos. And then I'm just taking my white P. Louise base and I'm just cutting and making everything look nice and sharp so we can set a new set of colors on top. Now I'm adding a new piece of tape, that way we have another sharp line because we're splitting this completely in half. Ooh sis, take a breather because this took so much time and work. But I'm proud of it because it looks so good. Now you'll just see me stacking a blue, a green, an orange, and a yellow together all the way until we get into the inner corner. I'm using that tape like I said, and you'll see me take it off halfway through. Going back into my P. Louise white base, I'm just going to be making that line straight, and I'm going to be cutting the other half of the crease. So after I do that, I'm just going to be packing the orange, the green, the purple color, and the blue mixed with the purple. And I'm just going to be doing that on the other half of my lid, finishing off the look. As you can see, we have applied some lashes. These lashes are from my lash line. This is another kind from my lash line. So my lashes will be coming soon, you guys. I kind of got set back from the whole coronavirus thing. So once we get past this, and we'll be able to get everything out for you guys, and you guys will be able to purchase my lashes. Now, I know which ones that I want to put out, so I have all the different ones. I have the names for them. I just have not gotten my packaging, so that's coming soon if you guys are wondering what kind of lashes I'm using. You guys have seen my foundation highlight contour routine. I'm just speeding through that real quick. I still use the Maybelline Superstay foundation, the Maybelline Superstay concealer, and then I'm just using this airspun powder to set everything. And then you'll be seeing me use my contour kit from the Crayon case, and yeah. Alright, finishing off the look, I'm just wiping away that excess powder. Then after that, you will see me adding blush. I believe this is called Flushed. It's from Colourpop. Just add a little bit of that. And then I'm going to be finishing off with a lip. So we're going to be doing NYX Brown lip liner. Then we're going to be topping it off with Chi. It's from the Colourpop Karushi line. And then over top of that, I'm going to be putting two different glosses. They are called the Gloss. And I forgot the names of them, so I will put them in the description box below. So be on the lookout for that. here I'm just going to be throwing on some white eyeliner, just a regular eyeliner pencil. I don't know what brand it is. Then after that, you will be seeing me throw each color that I used on my eye. I'm just going to be layering those. So I'm going in with a blue. I'm connecting the blue to the pink, to the green, to the purple. So I'm going to be doing 2 layers of colors underneath my eyes. And then after that, the look is complete. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this look. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed doing it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know the next time I drop a video. Help me get to 2K subscribers and I will give you guys a giveaway, I promise. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. And yes, I hope to see you guys in my next video.